Ringle offers one-to-one online English lessons with wildly talented tutors based in English-speaking countries. Ringle tutors have studied at Harvard, Yale, Cambridge, and other top 30 universities, and you can filter and select from a wide spectrum of majors, accents, and careers. Ringle tutors will help you hone your communication skills. They will teach you how to effectively and subtly express yourself. During Ringle lessons, you can edit important emails, do a presentation dry run, prep for an interview, or even practice casual networking, all with a tutor. Wherever you are, you can select the time that you want, the tutor you want, and the discussion topic you want. And head right to your lesson, all on Ringle's website and app. Ringle lessons are highly customizable, with choices on lesson style. And now, let's dive into the lesson. Once you enter the virtual classroom, your tutor will offer frictionless, visualized corrections without losing the feel of a real conversation. If you choose to record your class, our unique AI solution will generate a script and break down your speech habits. Ringle's AI can tell you how fast you speak, how many unique words you use, and suggest areas of improvement. After each lesson, your tutor sends you a thorough feedback report to help you remember what you learned. Excellent tutors, insightful articles, powerful review system, all on Ringle. Try Ringle and make a difference today.